We're here today at the Aviary building in central Manchester, a Grade 2 listed building designed internally by JM Architects, who worked to create a contemporary workspace whilst honouring the heritage of the building and keeping the environmental aspects that the client wanted at the forefront of its design. The building's achieved 5-star for neighbours, is excellent for BREEAM and has an A rating for EPC. Sustainability and environmental considerations are at the heart of the design here. The building has an all-electric operation with no gas usage. It has 5,800 square foot of rooftop PV solar panels, air source heat pumps, and a group contract using 100% renewable electricity. The total CO2 saving is 12,000 tonnes, which is the equivalent to 7,000 cars driven for a year. Reusing the existing structure reduced embodied carbon and has extended the building's life. Every material here was chosen for its durability, recycled content and recyclability. The entrance lobby to the Aviary building features our Kriska Decor curtains. We manufactured these using green and sand anodised chains. These colours are a lovely nod towards the biophilic design that the architects were looking for. The shape and the openness of the curtains also keep the airflow and the movement of the way the building flows as you move through it. These beautiful balustrades were installed by Delta Balustrades with our panels as the infills. The idea was to keep it strong but light and airy. So we've used a woven wire mesh from our banker wire range. This is the LPZ71. We've simply framed it in an angle frame, the panels welded into the back, and then powder coated gloss black RAL 9005. Just does exactly what it needs to do. Screens for these work pods are our AP200 range. Using the LPZ71 mesh, they're in keeping with the beautiful balustrades. Again, powder coated to a gloss RAL 9005, using a box section frame with hidden fixings at the base and movable fixings at the top to take up tolerances. Durable, beautiful, again, they just do the job. Here in the gym, the architects have used our perforated R30 T40 wall panels. They've been installed with a hidden fixing and finished with a matte black powder coat. They add texture, they add durability, and they also add a little nod to the industrial history of Manchester. I think JM Architects have created a beautiful space here. It's a wonderful building to work and thrive in, and they've managed to do it whilst holding on to the history and the heritage of the building, whilst keeping hold of the sustainability and environmental aspects that were so clearly needed. As a company, Amron have really enjoyed working with JM. We've really enjoyed putting so many of our products into this building, and hopefully we've achieved everything that they wanted. Sustainability is incredibly important to us at Amron, and it's at the heart of everything that we do. So if you'd like to discuss the environmental impacts of our products on your project, then please, we'd love to talk to you about it.